Hi everyone, my name is Cindy Scott and I present to you my professional portfolio with the authentic assessment pieces that we have created this year. I started my portfolio with just a picture of one of my classes. I thought this was just a fun picture with all the kids pretending that they are in bubbles. The first assessment piece that is attached is our collaborative digital storytelling project that I created with Devin Hill and Oscar Melgar. And we were excited as we created this thing. I thought it was a very interesting project as each of us were given a very specific role to play in our collaboration. I do think that we reached both outcomes of examining the various multimedia structures, and we were able to determine which most effectively addressed our instructional design goals. And I'll just play a little bit of this for you. The next piece in my portfolio is the student-centered multimedia tool that we created a tutorial on. And I created my tutorial on quizzes and love the website and have used it in my classroom and plan to continue using it. I will play a little of it. The next assessment piece was the Principle of Design graphic organizer that we created. And I never used Pictochart before, but I really enjoyed using it. I did think this was a challenging project as I did not want to use one of the templates and I wanted to create it myself, but I did learn a lot about the principles of design and also using Pictochart and creating that. The next piece of the portfolio is the multimedia research summary and analysis. And the article that I read was entitled "Put the Textbooks Away: Preparation and Support for a Middle School One-to-One Laptop Initiative." It was a super interesting study that was done in the state of New Jersey with middle schoolers who were back in 2018 were given one-to-one laptops to use at school and at home. One of the biggest things that they talked about was the collaboration and also the communication that went on with the students. And I immediately went to school and started a little bit of that with my students. I had them do some project feedback through email, and very communicative, very collaborative, and they loved it and were begging for more. And the last piece of my portfolio is the student-centered unit of instruction. And I did mine on the 5 geographic regions of Virginia. I live in the state of Virginia and I teach Virginia history and Virginia geography, and so that's what I decided to create my unit of instruction on. I will definitely use this unit as I'm teaching the Virginia geographic regions to the students. This is not something that I just created for our class, but we'll definitely use it in my classroom. And that is my portfolio, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all of it. Thank you.